Alright, welcome back to Cooking with Chef Pop, where we make cooking very easy and very simple to do. But today we're going to be making a butter candle. Alright, and what it consists of is a little bit of Scotch tape, some cooking twine. I also put a knot at the end of it. Alright, I got some garlic here, some paste, garlic paste. I got 3 sticks of unsalted butter. I got salt. And I have these already minced garlic, but I want to use some of the juice in here. Alright. So, without further ado, what we're going to do, we're going to, this twine, a nice good cut there. Move that out the side. And now, we're going to feed it through the hole that I made in the cup. Alright. Alright, we got the hole made. There we go. See that? Okay. So, I'm going to give y'all guys a closer view. So, if y'all guys stay with me, I'll be right back. Alright, with this cup here, I said there's a knot in here. Alright, so this is where the Scotch tape comes in hand here. Alright. Cut me a piece here. Why I'm putting Scotch tape on this is because you don't want the butter to leak out, and this string becomes the wick, and it keeps it in place. All right, get me one more piece. Yep, one more piece. There we go. There we go. All right. Fix it so I can always find the end. Put that to the side there. Now we have our wick here, and we're ready to go. Okay, so next what we're going to do, let's get all our butter unwrapped. Let's get our butter unwrapped. There we go. Remember, I'm using unsalted butter. You can use salted butter if you like. And if you're using salted butter, you don't have to use the regular salt. All right. So, got that. Okay. And now this is going to be a pretty small, candle. But it's going to be nice. Whoever thought? Okay. Let's get that out of the way. All right. Now, let's get this on the stove. Matter of fact, let me turn the stove on to high. And let's get the melting this butter. All right, so y'all guys stay with me. Off the stove, there was a little piece in there, but that's okay. I'm gonna remove this butter over to the cutting board. All right. And I want y'all guys to follow me too, okay? So just follow me onto the cutting board. There we go. There we go. All right. So this is where we start adding our ingredients. Okay. I'm gonna add me a couple of pinches of salt. All right. Now, this recipe here is simple. It's to your taste. All right. And that is wonderful. I put 2 pinches of salt. Yes. So, salt is out of the way. Now we're going to add a little garlic here. I don't have much left. Let's get that all mixed and incorporated there. Oh my God, that's so good. Whatever I have left. This is gonna be good. And that's what I'm talking about. We have just a little bit of garlic in there. I don't need the juice from the minced garlic. It's enough. 2 pinches of salt. And we're good to go. Give it a nice good mix here. Make sure my string is on the outside. Let me give it one more taste. Oh my God. Now, what I'm going to do is pour it in. All that goodness. There we go. All right. So, I am going to tie this string around here on my little wooden spoon. Now my wooden spoon. Now what I'm going to do, this is going to go into the refrigerator. You know, before I put it in the refrigerator, let me cut some of the string off here. There we go. All right. So this is going to go into the refrigerator until this candle, till it becomes a candle and the butter has solidified to a solid candle. All right. So how long does it take? I don't know. It could take maybe an hour, 2, 3. I don't know. But we're going to find out. All right. The time now is basically, it's 5:45. It's 5:45. 5:45. All right. So without further ado, I shall return with the time and when this butter is solidified. So y'all guys stay with me. All right. The butter, the candle butter is ready. So I lit it. It's working just fine. But let's see how soft she's getting. Oh, she's getting soft. Oh, yeah. Some butter there. I'm just using regular plain white bread. And that is delicious. It's a novelty thing, but it is good, especially with that garlic. Give it a shot. It's a novelty thing. It's really cool. I mean, you can sit it around with a couple of butter knives, and you just scrape from the top. And don't try to do this with it. Use the knife. It's better because you don't want to burn your bread, and it's probably not going to taste good with the wick. All right, but like the wick I'm using is basically butcher twine that you use in cooking. All right, and the way she's burning really good. All right, so listen, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, tell your friends and family, subscribe, and ring that bell. Definitely ring that bell, that you'll be notified on future videos. All right, so I will see y'all guys on the future videos. So y'all guys have a wonderful evening. Bye.